Recording audio. We can record audio directly in CapCut. This lets us add voiceovers or sound effects to our videos without using another program. It makes editing easier and faster by keeping everything in one place. To record your audio in CapCut, first, drag and drop the video onto the timeline. Then, extract its audio by right-clicking on it and selecting Extract Audio. You'll see the audio extracted. Click on the video track to select it, then click on the mic button. A menu will appear where you can record your audio for videos. By clicking this button, you can start or stop recording. From the drop-down menu, you can select the mic. A slider will appear, allowing you to increase or decrease your audio volume. You can also reduce the echo in your voiceovers and mute the voices in your project. After recording the voiceover, go to the editing panel. In the editing panel, the first slider allows you to increase or decrease the audio volume. The second slider lets you add a fade into your voiceover, and another second slider lets you add a fade out. CapCut also allows you to auto-normalize the loudness. By clicking this feature, you can normalize the audio in your voiceover, making it consistent. You can see the difference between the first and second audio tracks. Another main feature is the ability to reduce noise in your voiceover. In the Speed tab available on the top right side of the editing panel, you can increase or decrease the speed of your audio with a slider. CapCut also allows you to change your voice to other voices. To use this feature, click on the Voice Changer tab. You'll see an interface where you can convert your audio to any voice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.